Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge. And after all that's been going on, don't you think that you deserve a Paint-Cation? With me, I'm going to Mexico. Let's go to Mexico. It's 10 miles south of Puerto Vallarta, in case you want to know where it is. Right on the beach, Casa de los Artistas. It's a fantastic place. I go there every year in January. We take a class of about 20 people, and we're in an open air studio on the top floor, looking into this beautiful fishing village, a real fishing village. No tourists, all right, just us painting. And we do it for 5 days of painting and maybe a day or two with some excursions around the beach areas and things like that. It's fantastic. You just bring a good attitude in your paints and we're gonna have a great time. I do it every year. My Paint-Cation. I hope you can join me. Stay tuned.